Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 of this. I wasn't going to really do it, but it's internet slow today and taking a long time to load that video. So I thought I'd show you how to add this, and I've done a video like this before, because you're going to cut this away, but it would be neat to see the part of the G in the wood. So we're going to make a duplicate of this. Control D and make a duplicate and move it over. Now I'm going to go down here and left click on it, double click on it. And I'm going to change it from a hairline to 0.75, and I'm going to make it black, because that's going to engrave. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a duplicate of our oval, Control D, and move it over. Now we're going to fix this one first, and instead of using the virtual or weld, we're going to cut these, and you're going to see what it's going to look like in just a second. And remember, this is inside of something. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a rectangle, and we're going to fill this in. So that's what it's going to look like. But see, part of the G is not really visible. So let's back up here. Now we're going to do just the opposite to this word. We're going to take our virtual segment delete key and delete all the inner parts. See what I did there? Now we're going to delete this double cut line. We're going to actually go to Control G and group these together, and we're going to nudge them right back. So now when you engrave, you're going to engrave these little lines, but they won't cut because they're not there. As you can see, they are not actually there. So this is going to cut out, but this is going to engrave. It gives you a little bit more use of the font, whatever. You could put bigger font in there, and like this is pretty good. They brought in some places, and that's a good idea, that they brought in some places to hold the font. But I think my way, or this way, is a little bit different, a little bit better. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.